Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue chapter number 1 for revision session. In this chapter, we have completed exercise number 1.4, question number 1 to 4. Now, next question number 5. Let's start. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. If it decreased at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? Okay, now let's start. The temperature at 12 noon is 10 degree. Okay, initial temperature, that is at 12 noon, is equal to 10 degree centigrade. Change in temperature पर is equal to -2 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, क्योंकि हर एक घंटे में 2 डिग्री वैसे कम होता है टेम्परेचर. ओके, तो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर पर इज इक्वल टू -2 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ओके, टेम्परेचर एट 1 PM. ओके, 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड प्लस -2 प्लस माइनस 10 - 2 8 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ओके, इसी तरह से आपको कंटिन्यू करना है. कहाँ तक? Until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड below 0? यानी कि below 0 यानी कि -8 आएगा, है ना. What time? 9 PM. Okay. What would be the temperature at midnight? Therefore, temperature will be 8 degree centigrade below 0 at 9 PM. It will be take 12 hours to be midnight. Okay, 12 AM after 12 noon. Change in temperature 12 hours -2 degree centigrade into 12 is equal to -24. सबसे पहले टेम्परेचर क्या था? 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ओके, उसके बाद कम होके कितना कम होगा टेम्परेचर? -24 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. 10 + -24, 10 + -24, 10 - 24 is equal to -14 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. Therefore, the temperature at midnight will be 14 degree Celsius below 0. Okay. Next sum, question number 6. In a class test, +3 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any answer. अगर आपने करेक्ट आंसर दिया तो आपको कितने मार्क्स मिलेंगे? +3. अगर आपने इनकरेक्ट आंसर दिया तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे -2. ओके, एंड आंसर नहीं दिया हो तो आपको 0 मार्क मिलेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट, राधिका स्कोर 20 मार्क्स. इफ शी हैज़ गॉट 12 करेक्ट आंसर, हाउ मैनी क्वेश्चंस हैज शी अटेम्प्ट इनकरेक्टली? ओके, नाउ marks obtained of 1 right answer +3. Marks obtained for 1 wrong answer is equal to -2. Marks scored by Radhika is equal to 20. Okay. Marks obtained for 12 correct answer is equal to 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Marks obtained for incorrect, उसका टोटल स्कोर क्या है? 20. करेक्ट आंसर कितने? 36. तो 20 - 36 यानी कि -16. मार्क्स ऑब्टेन फॉर 1 रॉन्ग आंसर इज इक्वल टू -2. तो उसके कितने रॉन्ग आंसर है? -16. ओके, तो -2 मार्क्स ऑब्टेन फॉर 1 रॉन्ग आंसर, -16 मार्क्स. नंबर फॉर इनकरेक्ट, हाउ मैनी इनकरेक्ट आंसर? -16 divided by -2, minus cut, 2 8s are 16. How many questions? Incorrect, 8 questions. Therefore, she attempt 8 questions wrongly. Now second, marks scored by Mohini is equal to -5. Marks obtained for 7 correct answer is equal to 7 3s are 20. 1. Marks obtained for incorrect answer is equal to total scored minus marks obtained for 12 correct answer, -5 -21, minus plus 21 plus 5 is equal to -26. Marks obtained for one wrong answer is equal to -2. Thus number of incorrect answers is equal to -26 divided by -2. Minus cut, 13 2s are 26. Therefore, she attempted 13 questions wrongly. Now, third one. Total marks scored by Rakesh is equal to 18. Number of question attempt 16. Okay. Number of correct answer into 3 plus number of incorrect answer -2 is equal to 18. Number of correct answer find out करने हैं into 3 plus 16 minus number of correct answer -2. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? नंबर ऑफ करेक्ट आंसर इंटू 5 प्लस -32 इज इक्वल टू -18. नंबर ऑफ करेक्ट आंसर इंटू 5 इज इक्वल टू 18 प्लस 32 इज इक्वल टू 50. नंबर ऑफ करेक्ट आंसर इज इक्वल टू 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू 10. Therefore, number of incorrect answer is equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. Therefore, total number of correct and incorrect answers scored by Rakesh is 10 and 6 respectively. Okay. Now next, question number 7. An elevator descended into a main shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach -350? Distance depended is denoted by a negative integer. Initial height is equal to plus 10 meter. Final depth is equal to -350 meter. Total distance to be decreased by the elevator is equal to -350 माइनस प्लस 10. ओके, क्योंकि डिक्रीज हुआ इसलिए माइनस की साइन आएगी. प्लस माइनस 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 प्लस 350 प्लस 10 360. ओके, बिगर डिजिट की साइन -360 मीटर. टाइम टेकन बाय द एलिवेटर टू डिसेंड -6 meter is equal to 1 minute. Thus, time taken by the elevator to descend -360 meter is equal to -360 divided by -6. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. ओके, यहाँ पे ये चैप्टर नंबर 1 का रिवीजन खत्म हो जाता है. Good morning dear students. Today we will continue. After finishing chapter number 1, we continue chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Okay. First, introduction. You have learnt fraction and decimal in earlier classes. What is fraction and what is decimals? Okay. You know all about it. The study of fraction included proper, improper and mixed fraction. Okay. As well as their addition and subtraction, we also studied comparison of fractions, equivalent fractions, representation of fraction on the number line and ordering of fraction. Okay. Now, concept number 2.2. How well have you learnt about fractions? Okay. First, a proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of whole. Okay. Proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of a whole. Is 7/4 a proper fraction? Which is bigger, the numerator or the denominator? 7/4 fraction. 7 divided by 4. कौन सा? Which is bigger, the numerator or the denominator? Which is bigger, the numerator or the denominator? Okay, our answer is numerator is bigger than डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, तो ये क्या होगा? प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन न्यूमरेटर इज बिगर देन denominator. Okay, and improper fraction is a combination of whole and a proper fraction is 7/4 and improper fraction. Okay, which is bigger here, the numerator or the denominator? The improper fraction 7/4 can be written as 1/3/4. This is a mixed fraction. Okay, can you write 5 example each proper fraction and mixed fraction? Okay, आपको 5 फ्रैक्शन फाइंड आउट करने हैं. नाउ कंटिन्यू एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2.1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सॉल्व 2 - 3/5. ओके, फर्स्ट वन. यहाँ पे 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1. डिनोमिनेटर आर डिफरेंट 1 and 5. So we take a LCM of digit 1 and 5. 1 and 5 का LCM लेके आंसर क्या आएगा? 5. 1 is multiplied by 5. 2 is also multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 5. क्या लिख सकते हैं? 10 minus 3 divided by 5. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 divided by 5. ये क्या आपका आंसर आ गया. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड 4 plus 7 divided by 8. ओके, 4 divided by 1 plus 7 divided by 8. आप डायरेक्ट ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. 4 8 32 plus 7 divided by 8. 32 plus 7 39 divided by 8. ओके, और we take a LCM and direct. ओके, दोनों में से आपको जो भी कंफर्टेबल लगे वो आप एग्जाम में लिख सकते हो. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन 3/5 plus 2/7. 3/5 plus 2/7. Denominator are different. We take a LCM of digit 5 and 7. We take a LCM digit 5 and 7. We got the LCM 35. Okay, 35 is the LCM. 5 is multiplied by 7 and 7 is multiplied by 5. Okay, 3 is also multiplied by 7. 2 is also multiplied by 5. 7 3s are 21 plus 2 5s are 10 divided by 35. 21 plus 10 31 divided by 35. We get the answer 31 divided by 35. Now question number 4. 9/11 minus 4/15. Okay, 9 is multiplied by 15. 11 is also multiplied by 15. We take a LCM of 11 and 15. Okay, 9 is multiplied by 15. 11 is multiplied by 15. 4 is multiplied by 11 and 15 is also multiplied by 11. 15 9s are 135. 11 4s are 44. 15 into 11 165. 135 minus 44 is equal to 91 divided by 165. Now fifth number 7 divided by 10 plus 2 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, we take a LCM of 10 5 and 2. 10 5 and 2 2 के टेबल में आते हैं कि नहीं आते हैं? नहीं आते. ओके, तो 10 वी टेक अ LCM हो. ओके, 10 5 and 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 as it is. 2 1s are 2. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. LCM क्या मिला हमें? 10. 7 divided by 10 as it is. 5 2s are 10. Numerator is also multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. Numerator is also multiplied by 5. 7, 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15 divided by 10. 7 plus 4 plus 15 is equal to 26 divided by 10. 26 divided by 10. 13 2s are 26, 5 2s are 10. 13 divided by 5. 13 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 को हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते. 5 2 ज़ा 10, 3 2 3 and 5, 2 3 5. ओके, नाउ अब मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है उसका एडिशन करना है. ओके, वी ऐड द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. 2 2/3 plus 3 1/2. 2 2/3 कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 2 3 ज़ा 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. 3 2 ज़ा 6 प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. आंसर क्या मिला? 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. यू कैन सी हियर 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 है ना. और 3 1/2. 3 2 ज़ा 6 प्लस 1 7 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ओके, we take a LCM of 3 and 2, get the answer 6. 3 is multiplied by 2, numerator is also multiplied by 2. 2 into 3 7 into 3. 8 2 ज़ा 16 plus 7 3 ज़ा 21 divided by 6. Okay, 16 plus 21 is equal to 37 divided by 6. We get the answer 6 1/6. Okay, now last question. 8 1/2 minus 3 5 8. 5 8. Okay, mixed fraction convert to proper fraction. Okay, 8 2 ज़ा 16 plus 1 17 divided by 2 minus 8 3 ज़ा 24. 24 plus 5 29 divided by 8. We take a LCM of digit 2 and 8. We get the answer 8. Okay, 2 is multiplied by 4. We get the answer 8. 17 is also multiplied by 4. 17 4 ज़ा 68 minus 29 divided by 8. 68 minus 29 is equal to 39 divided by 2. Proper fraction to convert mixed fraction. 39 divided by 8. ओके, 8 का टेबल बोलो. 8 4 ज़ा 32. 9 minus 2 7 0. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन क्या मिला? 4 7 by 8. ओके, we get the answer. Now next question number 2. Arrange the following in decreasing order. Decreasing order में first term bigger, last term smaller. First one 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. Okay, denominator are different, so we not compare directly. Okay, we first same the denominator. Okay, given the fraction 9 3 and 21, we take a LCM. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are again 3 1s are 3 1, 7 as it is, 7 1s are 7, 1 1 as it is. 7 3s are 21. Okay, 21 into 21 into 3. 21 into 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 63. Okay, Changing them to like fraction, we opted 63 is our LCM. Okay, 9 7s are 63. Numerator is 2 is multiplied by 7. 7 2s are 14 divided by 63. Next digit है 2 by 3. 2 by 3 converted. 3 into which number multiply we get the answer 63. 3 into 21. Numerator is also multiplied by 21. 21 2s are 42. 21 3s are 63. Now next 8 divided by 21. 21 3s are 63. Numerator is 8 is also multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24 divided by 63. We can easily compare this all the fraction. 14 divided by 63, 42 divided by 63 and 24 divided by 63. Okay. This is bigger first number, second and third. First 42 divided by 36. Which number denote 42 divided by 63? 2 by 3. Okay. Second number 8 upon 21 and third one is 2 upon 9. This is the decreasing order. Okay. For all three fraction. Okay. नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का सेकेंड नंबर का सम करेंगे. ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.